Hi, I'm Kim St. Jean, and I am a silversmith, cold connections instructor, author, and artist. I'm here today to talk to you about casting. When we are working with silver, we end up with lots of stuff that looks like this. This is called scrap, and this is stuff that you got left over, that you messed up, that there's not enough to work with. Everybody has a box full of scrap. You have two options. You can go off and send it to somebody and get pennies of what it's worth, or you can learn to cast it and make new components that you can then turn into gallery style pieces that you can retail at full price. So we have a video collection for you of how to take this scrap and turn it into awesome components that you can then design and turn into pieces of jewelry that you'll be able to get retail for. So we're going to go from scrap to components. The first 2 days we're going to work on our casting. We're going to be working in mediums like water, salt rock, room straw. These are some little pods from some plants that I picked up, and I cast these in casting sand. And then up here we have a medium, and it's a solder brick. Awesome textures for your metals that people aren't used to seeing. We'll be working with the casting, learning to carve, learning to pour, how much silver to use, how to use the scales, talking about torches, torch safety, all the things that you need to learn to cast. In this video set, we're going to take the components that I showed you originally, and we're going to make some finished products. I'm going to show you how to design on paper with some of the components that we have, and then we're also going to make a few finished pieces. And here are the pieces that we will be making in the video. So we'll start out with just some simple earrings. I call it barnacles, but they said it wasn't a good name for the earrings, so we're going to call it bubbles. Here's a second set of earrings. Everybody loves the little bubbles, so we did 2 finished products with those. This is that branch that we cast in the casting sand. This is a salt cast, and we're going to do an open back bezel, so you'll learn how to do prongs and how to get the component into the salt casting, and putting a ring shank, how to size your ring shank, how to get it attached, how to file, how to clean, how to get everything finished. The techniques you're going to learn in these 4 videos are going to give you design ideas and creations that are going to be limitless for your future jewelry making skills. Click below so you can learn how to turn all of your silver scrap into this beautiful jewelry.